Top 6. Best miter saw. However, when it's time to choose the right miter saw, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 5 best product names on the market today, so if you're interested in what product name will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best for alternative materials. Evolution R255 SMS Plus 10-inch multi-material sliding miter saw. Most miter saws require a change of blades if you plan on cutting materials other than wood. Not so with the Evolution Power Tools 10-inch multi-material sliding miter saw, however. Its premium Japanese tungsten carbide tipped blade easily handles a wide range of materials, including hardwood, reclaimed wood with nails, mild steel, rebar, aluminum, copper, electrical conduit, plastic pipes, plexiglass, rubber, and composites. The saw has a 15-amp motor and no-load top speed of 2,500 RPM. It can crosscut wood up to 11.75 inches wide, and cuts bevels up to 45 degrees, and miter cuts up to 50 degrees in either direction. And with the included laser guide, you'll always know that your cuts are precise. The dust bag keeps sawdust under control for a cleaner workshop. Power source, corded, motor, 15 amps, blade size, 10-inch, type, compound sliding. What we like. One blade handles most materials, including metal. Laser guide. What we don't like. Only tilts to the left for bevels. Number 2. Best sliding compound miter saw. Bosch GCM 12 SD Axial Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch GSM 12 SD Axial Glide Miter Saw provided the smoothest cutting we'd ever experienced, thanks in large part to its axial glide system rather than standard rails. Our best compound miter saw launched way back in 2010. It still beats nearly every other saw we've used for tall standing crown cuts and vertical base clearance. Bosch still makes this sliding miter saw, and its newest models seem to focus on more maneuverable 8.5-inch saws. Those also come in both corded and cordless models. When making this recommendation, we took into account our entire catalog of sliding compound miter saw reviews. The Bosch Axial Glide remains one of the most powerful saws with the absolute best cut quality. Since it also allows for some of the highest trim clearances across the back fence, it reigns as the best dual compound miter saw. If you don't mind shaving some weight and capacity off the Bosch GCM 12 SD, consider the Bosch CM10 GD 10-inch glide miter saw at $499.99. You can get a lighter model with the same excellent cutting performance. Number 3. Best budget. Metabo HPT C10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw. If you only expect to need a miter saw occasionally, or for one big project redoing flooring, making a piece of furniture, or cutting trim, there's no need to spend a lot of money on your miter saw. Instead, consider the Metabo HPT, that's the new name for Hitachi C10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw. While there's no sliding rails for cutting wider materials, the maximum width is 5 and 21/32 inches, nor a laser for extra guidance. You do get a saw with a 15-amp motor, a no-load top speed of 5,000 RPM, a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left, and a miter range of 0 to 52 degrees to the left or right. That's pretty much all you need to tackle most DIY projects around your home or workshop. The miter saw includes a dust bag, 10-inch 24-tooth saw blade, and vise assembly. Number 4. Delta miter saw with laser, runner-up. The Shopmaster S26-260L is a great addition to any woodworker's arsenal of power tools. Boasting a host of useful features, it offers superb value in an affordable and capable design. Features such as the battery-operated laser make blade alignment a breeze, speeding up even the most complex tasks while ensuring accuracy. It also has plenty of power to spare, with a 15-amp motor that can cut smoothly and cleanly in a single pass. The Shopmaster S26-260L is quite a versatile unit that will work with almost any miter saw stand. Those looking for excellent value in a miter saw have nothing but praise for the Shopmaster S26-260L, which features a powerful 15-amp motor that can easily cut through wood with great precision thanks to the battery-operated laser. Even users with considerable experience with other miter saws have shifted over to this one, citing its superb value for the money. Some users do mention the need to consider the size of the blade when making cuts. Many have found that careful selection of the blade is essential for getting the most out of this unit. Number 5. DeWalt DWS77912 Sliding Compound Miter Saw, Best Overall. There's a reason why you'll find DeWalt tools in the hands of many professionals. Truthfully, there are quite a few reasons, and the DWS779 12-inch sliding compound miter saw displays all of them. This is a beast of a saw that's capable of everything you can imagine and quite a few things you've never thought of. For instance, it can cut through lumber that's up to 6.75 inches thick. Just as impressive, it can cut through a 16-inch wide piece of lumber thanks to the sliding rails and large 12-inch blade. Add the powerful 15-amp motor into the equation, and it's easy to see why this saw tops our list. Most miter saws these days can bevel to at least one side. The DWS779 can bevel to both sides beyond 45 degrees. The fence will even slide out of the way to allow the blade plenty of room. While most saws feature some sort of dust containment system, the DeWalt version on this saw actually works and prevented us from having sawdust in our faces or much mess to clean up. The catch is that this is a heavy and expensive saw, but we think it's well worth the trade-off. Number 6. Skil 3820-0212 Compound Miter Saw with Laser. Skil, the company who invented the Skil saw, provides a very nice 12-inch saw with a 15-amp motor at a really reasonable price. It should be noted that this saw uses blades that take a 1-inch arbor, which gives more stability to the blade, whereas the other saws we looked at take a 5/8 of an inch version. Skil has added a few extra, uncommon features such as integral table extension supports, which are nice to have, and a workpiece clamp to hold the molding in place for accurate cuts. It also has a laser for the cut line, for individuals who are worried about their cutting accuracy. Skil uses a quick mount system for attaching their saws to the stand, saving valuable setup time at the job site. This one also has a laser to show the cut line, a useful feature that's becoming more and more common. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.